Great guide on how to get rid of snoring. There is plenty to be worried about if you're constantly snoring in your sleep. You don't want to annoy loved ones like your toddlers, a sibling, or a spouse with your loud snoring while you are in dreamland. If you want to learn how to get rid of some of the snoring you do while you sleep, then read through this video and see what you can do to do just that. If your bedmate is a chronic snorer, it may become necessary to make certain adjustments to your schedules. Ask your snoring partner to wait until you have already fallen asleep before coming to bed. This way, you can fall asleep quickly and may have a better chance of waking up being well rested the next day. Excessive snoring can sometimes keep you from getting a restful night's sleep, but if you do snore, never take sleeping pills. Sleeping pills cause every muscle in your body to relax, including the muscles in your jaw and neck. This will only serve to make your snoring problems worse, and severe problems like sleep apnea can develop. Blow your nose well before you go to bed. Often snoring is caused by a buildup of mucus in your nose. A stopped-up nose typically causes you to open your mouth during your sleep in order to breathe. When you breathe through your mouth, you snore, so keep some tissue at the side of your bed to prevent the problem before it starts. As you have learned through this video, there are a lot of ways to get rid of the snoring you do while you sleep. Take into account all that you learned from this video and continuously expand your knowledge in the subject. If you do this and apply all that you learned, then you should reduce your snoring before you know it. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.